Hello friends, welcome to the Scratch Squid game jump rope game tutorial, and we are in the part 4 right now, and today we are going to add sound effects to our game. If you guys are just new to this tutorial, you can follow along. If you want to know about how to add sound effects to your game, you are most welcome here. And for rest of us also, let's start with the sound effects. Now first of all, let me show you what we have done so far. So if I click in the green flag here, so the rope starts moving round and round and we can jump, but if the scratch cat hits the rope, then it falls in the pit and dies so miserably. Yeah, okay, now let's add some sound effects. First of all, let's add a sound effects to this rope. Yeah, so we will add a rope being a moving sound effect, some kind of machine moving the making the sound while moving this what do we call it, rope or this obstacle. Yeah, so let's make this moving sound of the rope or the machine that will be rotating that obstacle or the rope. So for that, let's click in the rope first, and let's click on the sounds tab here, and here let's choose the sound. Let's go to sound effects, and down here I'll search for this sound. Yeah, the sewing machine sound. So let me click it, play it. Great. Now so here at the end it just stops. Yeah, but we don't want it to stop. Yeah, while the rope is rotating, we just want to keep on playing the similar type of sound. So I'll just delete this little bit of this sound. Just select it and you can just click delete, or you can hit the delete button in your keyboard. So I'll just click here, and that's it. So now it just will be similar. Okay, and that's it. Let's get back to the code, and here we are going to play this sound every time. Yeah, forever, whenever the rope is rotating. So for that, let's go to events menu, drag one green flag, click block. Let's go to the control menu and drag a forever loop. And if you want to play the sound forever in the game, then first of all, let me go to the sounds menu, and then you will use this play sound until block along with the forever loop. Okay, so drag this block inside the forever loop like this, and if you do like this, then it will just keep on playing. The sound will keep on playing forever in a loop. So let's see. Click in the green flag, and that's the sound of the rope. Yeah, or the machine that rotates this rope or the obstacle. And next, let's make a sound effect when the rope or the obstacle hits this cat sprite. Yeah, right now it's nothing. Okay, now let's make that sound. For that, let's click on the sprite one, that our player is sprite, and next let's click on the sound tab, and next let's go for source sound. And for hitting effect, I will use let's go to sound effects first. And this sound, boom cloud sound, looks good for the sound effect, and we don't have to do nothing, just keep it like it is and click on the codes. Next, we see when the obstacle has touched the cat sprite, and it's just here. Yeah, if it is touching rope and if it is touching ground, then it's game over. That means we just play the sound here. Now to do that, we go to sound effects and sounds tab and drag a start sound. Okay, for the playing of the sound not in a loop, you use start sound, yeah, generally. So drag the start sound block before the broadcast game over block like this, and now it will just start the sound when it touches the rope, and if the sprite is touching the rope, and if it is touching the ground also, this rope. So let's see, click in the green flag. What happened? That is good, but again, yeah. And now if it's a rope, and that's the sound effect we want. Next, once it's a game over and it starts falling, yeah, the cat starts falling. Let's get a falling sound. So for that, we go to the sounds menu again, and then search for the sound, go to the effects and go downwards, and there is something called the space noise here. Yeah, this sounds like a falling noise. So let's click here and let's see. Good. Let's get back to code, and in here, so when we start falling, we play that sound, yeah. So for that, we have broadcasted when I receive a fall sound, and here we are going to play that sound. So for that, go to sounds menu and drag a start sound block before the switching of costume, okay, and start space noise. Okay, great. Let's see, click in the green flag. Yeah, so if you noticed, it just stops right here, yeah, the sound of the space, because it's a very small amount of time. Let's increase the timing of this space noise a little bit. Let me show you again. And it has stopped here, yeah. Let me increase a little bit of sound. For that, go to sounds tab, and here click in the space noise, and we are going to increase a little bit of a space noise sound. Just copy the noise and just click here around this corner and just paste it like this. There is a little bit of pause here. Let me just delete it, and I think we are good. Yeah, that's good. Now let's try one more time. We don't have to modify anything, just click in the green flag. Great. Now let's make a sound effect when it hits the ground, yeah. For that, first of all, let's go to sound effect, sounds tab, and let's search for a sound. Go to effects like usual, and this sound, okay, click, and here we have got the crunch sound. Play it, and let me make it a little bit slower. Okay, great. So by making slower, it increases the pitch of the sound, decreases the pitch of the sound, okay. And let's go to code, and here we search for when it hits the ground, yeah. For that, it keeps on falling and repeat until touching ground, means if it touches the ground, then it gets outside this repeat until loop. That means just above this switch costume block, we are going to make that sound. For that, drag go to sounds menu and drag a start noise block, start sound block, and put it below the repeat until block, and start crunch sound. Okay, great. Now let's see, click in the green flag. Yeah, so when it touches the ground, it just gives a sound of with the ground being hit. Next, let's make the noise effect of this sound effect of this splatter of bloods and organs. Yeah, for that let's go to sounds tab again and search for the sound. Go to effects and let me just search here as PLAS splash. Okay, this is splash. Good. Click in the splash and let me make this sound a little bit faster or increase the pitch. Again, let me make it a little bit faster. Okay, that's good. 2 times faster. Go back to chords and here we will just use the sound just here. When after switching the costume to costume number 7, let's start that sound, splash sound. Yeah, go to sounds tab and drag a start sound splash just above the weight block like this, and let's see, click in the green flag. Great. And that's how we use sound effects. And next one sound effect that we want is the song of the Squid Game jump rope. Yeah, scene. So for that I've already downloaded that song. If you guys would like to download that song, I will just include the link of that thing in the description, and let's just load that sound for now. So we are in the sprite 1 or the player sprite, and let's upload a sound. Yeah, for that click on the sounds tab and here choose a sound. We are going to upload the sound. So let me search for the sound. Yeah, Squid Game jump rope. Open it and let me just play you a sample. Okay, that's our song of the jump rope, splash game jump rope, I think. And let's go to chords, and here we are just going to play that sound in a loop. For that we already know what to do. Go in the events menu, drag one green flag, click block. Let's go to control menu, drag a forever loop, and now let's go to sounds menu and drag a play sound block until done. Play sound is Squid Game jump rope song until done. Now it will just keep on repeating and repeating and repeating. And now let's see our final game with all the sound effects. Click in the green flag. And that's it guys for the sound effects and for this tutorial. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video next time with a different idea or whatever it is. Thank you guys.